Hello, hello, Guardians. I am Ransom Brighter. I'm in the kitchen. I'm making gamer snacks. Today it's a special treat, apple cider cookies. Now, don't confuse apple cider that you drink with apple cider vinegar. This is apple cider. You can drink it right out of the container. It's delicious. It's refreshing. It has a really unique flavor, apple cider. This is apple cider cookies. All right, what I want to do, I want to get started with my butter. This is 1 cup of butter, 2 sticks here in America, but do check the recipe below. You want to make sure you're getting the right amounts, but this is 2 sticks of butter. Let's pop it in. I want to scrape it all out because butter is flavor, it's delicious. It even smells good. Just right outside of, melting this, it smells delicious. So good, so tasty. And it adds a ton of flavor. All right, I'm using my spatula, proper tools in the kitchen, a big yes. I'm gonna set that to the side. Now I wanna go ahead and add in some of my ingredients that need to be whipped together and melted. This is granulated sugar. I'm gonna pop that in. Remember, check the recipe, get the measurements on this. This is brown sugar. This is basically, and it's packed. I packed this. You wanna make sure you get the right amount. And brown sugar is one of those that normally your recipe is gonna say pack it. So granulated sugar, brown sugar. The brown sugar, they use molasses to really give it that distinctive flavor. And I love brown sugar. And baked goods that are sweet, it adds a depth and a dimension to your flavor that's awesome. I love it. You should give it a try. All right, now we're gonna go in with a few more of our ingredients. I kind of want to put my eggs in here. I don't make these often, so even I have to refer to the recipe. It's just a good thing to do. Refer to the recipe. And my eggs are at room temperature. I don't want my butter to seize up. The eggs are at room temperature. This is 1 whole egg and then 1 yellow, the yolk of the egg. Let's pop it in. Now you could use a stand mixer. I'm gonna use my trusty hand mixer here. And I'm gonna give this a whip because I want it to all come together. Guardians, be sure to check out some of my other videos. I get a big, just big old thrill out of making these gamer snacks for you guys. So be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, pass it on to your friends. I want everybody to find the perfect gamer snack. And if you have a gamer snack that you love while you're playing Destiny or other games, Destiny Rising maybe, definitely send it over to me. Send me the recipe, send me the title. I'll check it out, look it up. But I would love to be able to make gamer snacks from all over the world because so many of you from around the world watch my live streams. Thank you for that. All right, we're gonna just continue to whip this. I'm gonna turn my speed up a little bit. I want to whip some air into these cookies so that they'll be fluffy. And this will be the base that I will add my dry ingredients into. All right, that's good for right now, just right now. Let's move on to the dry ingredients. Stay. All right, dry ingredients. This is flour, and this is an all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add a little bit of baking soda. A little bit of baking soda goes in. A little bit of salt goes in. Refer to that recipe. Refer to the recipe. A little bit of salt. This is a little bit of cinnamon. And then this is a little bit of nutmeg. Just a tad to bring out those flavors and just be, a really nice addition to the recipe. We want a lot of taste in these cookies. I'm going to use my whisk these dry ingredients together. Now, this is looking good. This smells good. Cinnamon. Oh, it's just, it will come up and enliven your senses with all that smell and aroma. All right, how is that? That's looking good. I'm gonna set that right back here. Now I'm gonna bring back over my wet ingredients. I wanna actually add a little bit of my homebrew vanilla flavor. You know, a lot of recipes don't call for this, but I always just like to add it. I love vanilla flavor, I do. I like to add it. Let's whip that in. And I think I want to just scrape down my bowl to make sure that everything has a chance to get a little bit of vanilla flavor on it. And all those sugars get whipped together. I don't want a clump of brown sugar or anything else clumpy in these cookies. Now, earlier today, meanwhile, back at the fort, I took my apple cider. This is my apple cider. And I boiled it down because I wanted to intensify the flavor. When you evaporate the moisture out of this, you intensify the apple goodness that is in apple cider. I'm just gonna add some of this. I might have a little bit too much. We might need some of this later. I'll reserve a bit. I'm gonna whip this in. All right, now in come my dry ingredients from earlier. We're gonna pop this in. And I'm just gonna pop it all in at one time. Some recipes say a little bit now, a little bit later. I put it all in. Start my mixer out slow. Oh, Guardians, this smells so good. This is gonna be a fantastic gamer snack. Oh, it's smelling like cookies. Delicious, flavorful cookies. All right, I want to stop that for a minute. I want to wipe my bowl down. Don't forget this part. It is important to wipe your bowl down. But I'm having fun right now in Destiny. You know, it's going through a few little rough stages here and there, but I am having fun with it. You know, if you play, come in and hang out with me. Pull up a chair. We'll shoot the breeze together inside Destiny, or even maybe another game here and there. This is a very thick mixture. It's gonna allow the cookie to stay together. I don't wanna overmix, so now I'm gonna come in with my last little ingredient. These are diced apples. This is a Honeycrisp apple. I just wanna add some of these in. And I'll tell you what I do with my Honeycrisp. I know some people don't do this. I squirt a little bit of lemon on top of that, just so that it keeps the apples looking fresh and bright. And it actually, that little bit of fresh lemon brightens the flavor. So I just want to incorporate these into my mixture so that everybody gets a little bite of apple. Now I want to come back in and just give it a little hand stir. And then, Guardians, we're ready to actually start. Look how good this looks. Look how good this looks. I wished you were here to smell this. We're gonna be able to now put these on my cookie sheet. And my cookie sheet, I have lined it with just some parchment paper. I had a little bit of that apple cider left over. Let's get the cookie scoop and let's start scooping a few of these. And I'm making these a little bit smaller today. You know, I normally go big cookie, go big or go home. I make cookies that a mech suit would love, big, giant cookies. These today, I'm just gonna make them a little bit smaller so I can have more of them. Now, I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Come on, release, release, there you go. And I'm gonna continue to scoop these out. I'm gonna pop them in my oven. One little last thing I like to do to a few of them, this is freeze-dried apple. And I'm just gonna pop a piece of freeze-dried apple onto a few of these, so that they look good. Presentation, you know, it's part of it. You know, you gotta have the right color shader. A few little pieces of freeze-dried apple. This was actually a gamer snack that I was munching on in a prior live stream. So I'm going to finish these and then I'll come back. We're going to pull them out of the oven. Stay with me. I know you're going to love these apple cider cookies. Guardians, these are fresh out of the oven. They smell delicious. They look delicious. Now, that recipe made a lot of cookies, and I've got a lot of cookies here. There's more cookies in the oven, and there's cookies in the refrigerator. I'm going to have plenty of cookies to share. Come on over. Let's have a cookie together. All right, let's try one of these. They did spread out quite a bit, so you might want to refrigerate the dough before you pop it into the oven. Let's give them a taste test. This is the important part. I see those beautiful little apple pieces that I cut and popped in. Let's try it. Oh my gosh. Can you see the apple? That apple cider flavor? It brings this to the next level. A fresh hot cup of coffee. And Guardians, you can be back in it to win it. Gaming, gamer snacks. It's what I do. It's what I love. Come hang out with me. Don't forget, send me your favorite gamer snack. These are delicious. You will not be disappointed. I am Ransom Rider. I continue my quest for the perfect gamer snack. Come hang out with me. Let's shoot the breeze together. Bye. Bye. Thank you, Guardians. These ones are mine.